MOC Athletes Commission के podcast मरहबा मैं तो के episode का मैं बैवर बनी ना so thank you for coming. Um, em fura também sahalam berno varni me ad school gawlong eru gave sarka hitang edi tammi field unne kuriya dani.
So, සීදා performance psychologist එක ශේවානි ඒ කෙරිය එක එහෙන්නේ ස්කූගොලුන් එරුකු එහා බොඩක විස්නිෆයන අබදස් බේනුවී මෙඩිකල් දායිරැන් කුරියද්දා එකමොකු after A levels degree හදෑගෙන් දැන් එක්ක change degree හැදීරෙස expected නොකරන් මියේ කෙරිය එකීද මේ සීදා performance enhancement ශේ work කරානි. So,
Shafa me school ga shafa school gawlong eru em fura tamai tedi teacher එක ශේවානි do so hitaradi war ginami kala you know then koda koda ko kiyal de bam me dairan kuriya devunga.
so my husband is a cricketer. මිහාරු my life ke more 20 years varu ekko para caring fenifa mihiri athlete ge life kihinekkan daily school davarum feshigen work life an access kihinetto e balance gen boluni then masters hadam wegen UK ga ulunairu my masters tereng I got an opportunity scholarship Jeremy Snape Puri again the self development program world class athlete onna kiga work kolla like emi hunge mental well being kinetto maintain kuri do eba mar boda das koran leboni and aso e hisabun link kurani from what I was studying hama me performance aso fit work ama group ekge work kuraru noniya I'm actually occupational and organizational psychologist. So, AWS performance, work life, hama sports dairages mi ole athletes unges hama working. So, e mahawluga kihinetto work kurani. So, hiteri okay, Rajas, this is my chance. Athletes unna comic kodde. So,
nice then the what about me athlete unge teregas me athlete resilience me word ake varagina beenu kurache like athlete egge haise tong ege like maane ki kopa
aslo nasuge mi kiyavan asa athlete unna ki work kuran feshima I found out athlete mara bodan එක link kure their self worth komme outcome aka emi honge result ge outcome is their self worth. So win obvious loss evejayam ekko ha miha ekko down
like
so aslu boda beenumvi ඒත් බදල් කරන් so mental resilience e hisabun mi annani amille gabul kuran that outcome and none emihala effort even if it is a loss effort lagen ki ponchi seto dasvi da e dasvi echissa work kuran asu libun e hisabun ek mental resilience misalka ane gym gossa muscles build kuran physically miha fit wan wara badu gym work eba kore hama likewise mental resilience ke se gota muscle hen build kureveche e consistently eki kahala mental techniques take beenu koken so ei aslo that resilience
okay I like shofamenge hawadati field ga hawada nenge tive we don't know aslo then arne me har games ta kame shofame gosken ule rugaise kame chukum bali we manone ay kame chukan erumge korean wes kudin waranna was again you know like me I think I met you I 2023 ge IJ ga so like fene do kudinna kodko wahaka dakkala mehen ule thamwes then hitangarani me වරක් ಗಿಣಕುದೆಣ್ಣಕಿ ಏಕ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆ ಬೆಹಗುದ ಹಾ ಬಡ ವಾಹಕ ದಕ್ಕಂ ಬೇಣು ನುವಾ ಕುದೆಂದೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಏಕಾಲ ಕುದಿನ್ ಏತೆ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಕುರಾಣಿ ಕಿನೆ
Yeah, that's self-blame though.
Yeah.
Yeah, ති වරක් කොමන් කමේ ද අයෝඇජීග වර බෑවර එත්ලීට උන්නෑකි එද්දොස් තෙරේගෙස් එක්කෝ වර්ක් කුරෙවනද ඒරු දෙන් මෙච්ත ಹುಣ್ಣ ಗೊತ್ತುಂ මියදෝය දාන එක රවුන්ඩ්ස් තකක බෙහිගෙන්දියාම වර බෑරු රවුන්ඩ්ස් තක ෆේස් මි කුරණි so gratitude grateful wan aso eba වර බොඩ දස්කොත් දෙවනත එයි කොමෙන් ලොස්සවීම හුරිහාච්ච ගෙල්ලුණි why did this happen to me
Yeah.
lost everything
Thing.
මේ කාලා එච්චක දියුම්ගේ බදලුග grateful one with the things opportunities ඒරු ලිබි ෆහුරි so ඒ වර බොඩ work කරවන එච්ච especially IOIG තේරේගත then වර simple කමෙන් එමි හොන්න ඒ opportunity family friends on me hengo sama as simple as අනේ එදු කාලන් ලිබුණු favorite meal so එගොතවස් ඒ grateful one das කාල කමේ ඒ technique ke බේරුම් කොළමි ජේනි so a grateful wa technique බේරුම් කොල්ලීම though it sounds very simple ඒ වර හම බොඩෙති changes තකෙන් ගෙනවේ කමෙන් so daily ඒ කම work කොල්ලෑගෙන් වර බොඩවෙස් ඒගේ impact ෆෙනුණු IOIG especially the
Yeah. That's cool. Then hitang aran ekami mechegge kurim yannani no injuries to eya ed kudinna ki ha warkan effect kore bae.
yeah
Like is shawfum me balan tibbe eruge ha bodan eti ketunu edane do but e kudinna eti wane wara podu kamaka do like
yeah sometimes ekala injury then school gadi ule kujja vejayamu their schedule is vara busy the
yeah
then practice දාන tuition නගාන school දාන then adi ituru kanta time දෙන්ජනේ family අවස් එහෙන් ඒ වර බොඩු අනේ කීනෙක්කං time spend කරාන එම්මෙන් නෑ කීක ඒ නේකින් අවස් එබ මීහා එක්කෝ එබ break වේද then aslo to learn ekala moments the whether it is an injury or amilyan e nukureve vara kantata schedule ge tereng obviously ehen ule kudinge especially athletes unge schedule egota vara busy the and we to give that self for reset one time kole then that it is not a weakness ka
yeah
but sometimes ehen rest then decide kura hisam they feel like mihen rest nagani week we meda ehen we ma ei week ki nunca ehen rest negima reset kolla unima se gadiga e strength එකක් ඒ ලිබිෆහුරි ඒ strength අනේ අනිකස් මීහා අඹුර අන්නන්ද
yeah
so ei වර බොඩු coming so to learn to take that the so ei වර මුහිමු coming whether it is injury or to come back from the reset well they are also humans though they also go through how is us
බුණන් මිසක නොකර වරගෙන කුදින් තිබේන like හම තිබුණා හැ week e hitan arane edo like
then also a stigma to කරන්නේ ද hen වර බෑවරු අනේ ඒ කුදින්ගේ තෙරේග නෝනියාමෝ school terega nonya family terega ves ehen hunna connections ke kiya fure dane ehen break na gani week me ehen we my weakness stigma එක වෙෆ මෙන්නනි so they feel like no neke I can't take this break to heve kitamme waraka miha huriha work ko mihen the lord bodo again yes I will take this ekya hifalade da ekama ehem wa feshi masu hure waragina faru anika ves I can't do this anymore
like negative ma boda negative but
yeah
like yeah
negative thinking me dani da
like then hitangarani when things and go wrong me toxic cycle lum beruwan kina pae hedeni to athlete ve sama in general ves
so aslo that shift genna mejeheni why me to what now to so komme me akes tibuna hen dima vedani kantattado me hen wema komme faharako e result ehen annani ke sabadu anna result no ta me to so miwagotu mihen vies kobahiye den timane kurevene kamaki so is a shift egotak gena my self blame was mind was from negative thinking to positive thinking na wese babadal kureveda
Yeah.
so why me ge badaluga visnashe what now the
Yeah.
miharu den timanne kureven huri kon kamen he even if that break naga iris a break was wara boda self reflect kollafa kihinetto den timanna plan kurani the
Yeah.
what is next for me the ekahala gotaka asu
Muli thinking එක positive කොල්ලෙම ඉතින් කව අර රංගලුවා
Yeah.
හෙන්දෝ like ෂවුෆා විස්නානේ බඩගේ හෙන්දෝ මිසක negative කමෙන් ඇස හිතරන් ඒගෙන් වෙස් positive කුරෙවෙන්නේ කෙහෙන බා
Yeah. Because arne you have a lot of other things to the hama
Like,
sport
yeah.
terege sure opportunities ta bavare bore so why me ke badaluga cause it may happen to hama anyone though.
yeah
So what now
එම්ම මොළු
though?
yeah එම්ම මොළු කොන් එම්ම ෆිට් කොන් උඩි කුද්දාවේ සමය ගාල් කම
Yeah.
එතිමාවේ දානේ තෝ like then hedarani mi huriha kamega එක community ge role එක ko babaya like misal ka family media like coach umbias
Aslu me kuris borhen that stigma attached with in a conversation and me the mental health wara boda I have arne worked with hama athletes so eka hama secret ko me go to sessions na gambenova so to have more open conversations in relation to mental health asu wara muhimmu ei community akure dan wara bodu kame whether it is coach or imagine misalaka komme kuliwaregge teamaka ekiga attach koffa mihunani psychologist so hama eka injury wegen doctor da hen noniyamu every day me physical practice kora hen hama komme gavadunda that check-in process of their mental well-being focus kogen work kuren fashafia had bodeti changes ta gannane so to have more I think that's a big gap karnenge me stigma attached for hunna kame ke me miwaha kenu dekke to kiya for egota hurun den anekamaki parents so misaka arne baliwegen edu hoki atti to mechakun los telli bigen so get da hisabu arne it's okay you will win next time the misaka mi ehem wes bonuge badaluga gunashe it's okay to be disappointed oba heye what did you learn heye from today's match the what are you going to take heye next time match at that so egotan hama narrative perspective badal kolla so ei parents una kodde venikame den ekan koggen miwagut ki aslo kujjage ekala self blame me annani no me furtens bone menno their whole self relate me kurani emihege self worth outcome ashe so ege shift eba ade when that support family emme close me hoge faratun
like confidence
build way confidence build way but that it is okay me to balivegen ayas eka learning experience eke me to so a learning experience ga mieduge mi mechuga balivias koba heye dasvi echaki so e dasvi eti genna den ini media ge role asu dekola veste da wara positive ko ves da farade negative ko da farade da then positive ko midani ekala outcome komme gotakan ayas encouraging bastake misalaka habarugal lielafa noniya inage that whole process journey ke wahaka dakka even the outcome is
and practice fashagen progress ado
like then hame tournament tereges furta mechum mi hisaban a journey ge wahaka dakkalanda so e uplift ekolla muli community avese uplift because they are very strong the media ki then e ganek
paraboda impact annane
media ge faratu then e ganek kolto e eka misalaka outcome ekani visnafa ay baliviye miye result ki mika gota
headlines paraboda meta veda
then eka hisabun eka self worth ge by doubt kuram fashane e habaru kiyala hisab
mari heme community as in emme bike faratun like rangalu ankechen ayas mite ade habadaka e kudinnaka impact enno kure do
it's a full circle
yeah
never me hung eba involve e impact positive
to pull.
kokken
Yes, exactly.
yeah then a media ge role then peers
Yes.
like ekudin naime close community ekko a sport teregole kudin
Kudin.
they will understand it better than
Then
anyone though
as low as.
then eka egota hin deravegen wahakesha kollang mihen diyama just listen to them
Be
though.
their friend though,
Be their
Hama.
friend
Yeah.
and just listen though without that judgment though
Exactly. Yeah.
e hisabun I think emihunge tereng anyone we might go through
Like
it was
emme carrying huriha echa fennadi
Fennadi.
peers.
yeah usases
Me
kure
kure vene yeah. Like modu vejje aves
Yeah.
nisaka those peers me.
yeah so injury evegen
Injury,
ayes so e understanding ga share kolla eruga e wahaka dakka pujjayan e time wes desha aduwa halanda
Yeah.
so I think e kal kandata it's වර බොඩති රෝල් කරන කොමියනිටි
Yeah.
එක තේරෙන් එම්මෙන් නවිස් parents on coach on peers on media though
Yeah.
they all can help with e gotaddo
Hurihaga. Like me rajyega hasakon athletes ge me mental toughness me future ga fula kurani kihine.
so aslo rajega hama talent vara bævarata we have a lot of raw talents here so arnethi vara rangal sualen aslo future visnalanya ves එහෙම දෙම බොනිහෙන් එක coach ඔන්න parents or peers family mi emmenge help එකේ ගස්සු ඒ support එගොතල් ලිබිගෙන් rather than එක අනෙකස් outcome focus නොකො process and journey ಗೆ ವಾಹಕ ದಕ್ಕ then openly have that misaka parent service kujaya wahaka dakkala vidane if they are feeling okay though anxiety kahal kantattauga pressure build wegen me anna kahal kantattauga wahaka is dakkala for let them decide if they need that help though a weakness and nonka hama a strength dakwade kamegge gotuga boda e wahaka open ko dakkamvi era I me physically me anna strength build kuruma ekiga aso e kanta genevijayamu that is going to help hama ma bodaddo because talent ebuhuri physically fit ane tactics taka komme sport ega me ole athlete ege hama background balana nula ku modu aneda so hame keni lekwa mitan goleki me emotional bad so emotional well being nave segota hama strength genna focus kogge bodan ewahaka dekkun aslo eraddo e talent maintain wani
yeah I think public එක awareness කහලා just වරම් මොහෙම කරන්නේ ඒතෝ ගෙන මේ හුන්න like හීවනේ මේ mentally එක stable නොවේ මයි like මොය එක you know like ඒ කහලා just කරන්නේ ඔබට public awareness මේ එවයා කොද්ද
aso shafati embone mado me har hitan arani aso mihen mi help mi gota mi athletes me naga eroga mi vara scope board kamedo hame can not only as an athlete they can take me techniques the benon kogging and help for their mental well-being so but life ka misaka work life and nikutas nonia amilla life ka let's say school going and project presentation hadan jehoni එහෙම වෙච්ච අය presentation නම් වෙස් ready වන් එක class එකේ හැම ඕලේ තු
I know
right
yeah
so ඒගොත
මම school ගෝල ගෙරුගක් හාබඩ like හිතාරන්න මෙයාර deadline හමවනේ deadline හමවනේ like ඒරුග like හින්ජෙපස් නාද ඒරුග හම like anxiety ಗ panic attack yeah
so ඒගොත normal life එක වෙස් හැම use කරවෙන techniques තත්तो මේ එහෙමම ඒ techniques ත ඒගොත හැම බේනුම් කුරන් ලිබේ ෆුරුසත් එකේ මේ rather than තිබුණා හේ it's not a mental issue එකේද බයෙන් හොරගෙන no it's just you becoming strong in that mental area ඉන්න අස්සෝ physically වෙස් එහෙම gym වෙස් නොදාම් වීතාත how emotional well-being na focus kogen work kollunda then teams ta kakiga work koro ei duahakos nudanetsedo whether life ke komme irages teams akiga work koran dasse seba koran jeki kahala me honna akida so ei ves wara bodo mental struggle aso go through kura kameddo kudi komme miheves.
Ko.
So with these techniques use koggen eavves eba help with it.
Yeah.
You know, eka team එක උලේතා එක personality ಗೆ
Yeah.
මේ හොඳ so තෆාතු මේ
මේ
හොන්න
හොඳ එකක බය
Like-
කුදනක වර ලව්ඩ් කුදෙන්
Yeah.
හුරිහාච්චවෙස් එක්ස්ප්‍රෙස් කුරා කහල කුදෙන්
yeah දැන් එක මඩ
මුඩ
හොන්න
කුදෙන්.
වරාව රුලියන්න
උඩන්න.
කුජාද like ඒගොතන්
වරවස් දෙරවා කුද්ජා එච්ච
දෙරවා.
බුලායිර like that sensitive though.
yeah
Yeah.
so huriha kamaka is eba help with it so it's not only sport though so get that help we have
Yeah.
savahaka just to have that balance to yourself though
Yeah.
I think ඒ කරන්නේ so
Yeah. So me harudan වර ඔබ්බඩන් ඒ ඒරියා වාහක දකාල වෙජදෙන් හිඟා බකොඩ කොන්න සූගේ personal life ga me personal life abe ekutun kuduka වාහක දකාලන්දෝ like what's the most adventurous thing you did?
oh okay so nasumi mooduge depth ವರ ಬಿರುಗಣ್ಣ ಮೀಗೆ
Oh, same.
so snorkeling at the end of Shelford Walkers
So I was no the I don't even like Fataka was nenge very sad but Fataka nenge.
so funny thing is nasumi එක කොම්මෙ කුජ්ජ ෆතන්දන්න කෝස් හදාගෙන්
Same.
so I have that certificate but, so I can survive inge
I
එකමකු අනේ depth mooduge depth fenonima වර biruganeta then I remember this day එක විලිගිලි moodu bula mihunna kiga once I went එක dive ke first
Okay.
step nagan gossa edja hame gossa I couldn't do it
Oh,
like I spent like 10 or 15 minutes of my then eru
you are brave. Come on, they revisni come.
I wanted to challenge myself though
Okay, nice.
එකමක වෙස් එකමෙන් නොයිගේ දැන් කොමස් ඊදෙක්ග යානේ I think family එකේග දරවන්දු අද්දිය ෆාර ඒ ඊදු තෙරේග ඒ චුට්ටි තෙරේග it was manta season
Oh.
then one of my friends was also there though eru then emihun manta balam wegen dam wegen plan kuriru nasu karibune fe hinga shedda that was like okay maybe today is my
day.
though then edu hama කොමිගොතේ හදාෆෙස් දාන් then hama nattala edu that was the best decision I ever made kitamme birun hurefes e mantata balala e libunu furusatu like there was so many big
Oh.
manta if faharado hada reach
Nice.
so ei vara adventurous vara challenging ekame nasuwa kure wonado so ege faho abades eka faje hisabuges fanuje hisabuges echege hifatage miss I love to the hamas adi balala trying to efia duvala so eives asu me sports kudinna ves something that they can relate as to be more comfortable in that uncomfortable කන්දත මිසාක training terege වර comfortable environment එකේ නබද train වනි
Yeah.
මිසාක කුදි challenges තන් එඩකොග්ගෙන් work කුරෙවිජ training ගේ terege work කුරෙවිජ යාමු when that competition asking pressure handle nukuregen pressure nonia ituru adversity ka kame tima vejjayamu they'll be more prepared to handle those things
Yeah.
so aslo they can also do that aslo to be more comfortable in that uncomfortable taking those challenges aslo the field ge tereg practice ke field kudo badal kollegen vesto
Yeah.
challenges ta nagavashe vare hoonuga noni ekahalago eggotata those challenges nagagen comfortable wa to handle pressure
Yeah.
ei my
Yeah.
adventurous kamaki
Okay, may hi sabung episode nimuma kami ay thank you. Show for me na wag to collect the Mikulang ask anything.
thank you vara boda me opportunity na sattini thive this
Yeah.
was
It was nice to have you.
yeah
Yeah.
vara maja talking me I love this whole conversation though so
Yeah.
thank you vara
Thank you.
boda yeah MOC and show
May the episode may hi sabung me nimuni nasu ay ko interesting wahak taket te ko kam gaum me to ka wa ki velang ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ.
ಮೆಸು ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಹುರಿಯಾಕಮೆ ಅರುದಣ ಕುರೆವಿಗೆನ್ ಎತ್ಲೀಟಕ ಕುಳಿವರುಗ ಮೀ ಕುರಿ ಅರ್ಯಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ದಾನಿ ಮುರೆ
ಮುರೆ ಎಡುಗು ಏಗೆ ತೆರೆಗ ಹಮ ಅಣೆ ಎಬೋರೆ ತಫಾತು ಕಂಗೆತ